Nothing Phone 2A, the company's third smartphone. Finally, it's officially globally launched today. Nothing's signature transparency adds another layer of design. Phone 2A come with a black and white color on the back, which give this phone a very unique look. The 3 glyph LEDs and the lack of wireless charging, the dual camera setup on the rear panel, Samsung ISOCELL S5 KG9 50-megapixel primary camera, and the secondary ISOCELL JN1 50-megapixel for clicking ultra-wide images, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The phone has a 6.778-inch 10-bit AMOLED with a 1084x2412px resolution, and FOWM's 300 nits of peak brightness, and a variable 30/120 Hz refresh rate. The Nothing Phone 2A uses a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset, and it will come in 2 versions, 8GB and 12GB RAM with 8GB virtual RAM support. Out of the box, the smartphone will run on the Nothing OS 2.5.2 based on Android 14, with a promised 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security updates. Powering the smartphone will be a 5,000 mAh battery that supports 45W wired charging. The Nothing Phone 2A is on pre-order from nothing.tech website starting today and will ship from March 12th. Globally, the starting price of Phone 2A will be under 23,999 rupee in India. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.